Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Today I am back with another breadfruit recipe. If you haven't checked the previous breadfruit recipe out, I will insert a card up above. As you may know, there are so many different ways to prepare your breadfruit. And so I am very happy to share this recipe with you. This recipe is a breakfast recipe, but rest assured you can prepare this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. For today's recipe, I will be doing some fried breadfruit, but I won't be roasting it on the stove top first. I will use another method. Have you tried this recipe before? Let me know in the comment section. Let's get right into the video. In order to prepare my fried breadfruit, I am going to first boil this breadfruit for a few minutes. Once the breadfruit is properly cooked, that nice green color will change to a dark brown color. After boiling for a few minutes, if you're not sure that the breadfruit is properly cooked, you can use a knife to test it. Now that the breadfruit is properly cooked, I removed it from the pot and I'm now going to cut it into desired pieces. Guys, when you're making this recipe, please remember to remove the middle section, and I will demonstrate that to you. I am now going to remove the middle section and throw it away, and then I'm going to peel the breadfruit. Now that we have peeled the breadfruit, I am about to cut it into desired pieces. You decide how thick you want to cut these. For me, the thinner, the better. At this point, I am going to add a little salt and combine this. I'm going to add the breadfruit pieces in a pot with heated oil. After adding them to the pot with the oil, make sure you turn them so they won't burn. Once they are finished, remove them from the pot and continue to fry the other pieces. I have decided to pair the fried breadfruit with eggs and guac. This recipe can be eaten with any meat of your choice. You can pair it with saltfish and beans, ackee and saltfish, or even some nice Jamaican style curry chicken. This is a must-try recipe. If you haven't tried it yet, please do. Your family, your relatives, your friends, they will love this. Remember to check out the previous breadfruit recipe. In those previous videos, I made breadfruit chips and roast breadfruit. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. See you in the next video. Until next time, bye!